We're a firm that primarily represents people in real estate transactions, both for residential and for commercial transactions.
Our practice at Ianniello Anderson, I think, is different than a lot of other law firms, primarily because of our focus on real estate transactions.
Having an attorney that concentrates in real estate represent you on your purchase or sale is going to give you a better understanding of all the different parts that have to come together during the process.
Yeah, we try and make sure they understand what is expected of them, that there's no surprises for them as they go through the process.
One of the most important things that can be done by your attorney is the review of the contract initially.
We usually have a 3 to 5 day period to review the contract with our clients to make it a formal binding contract.
It's important to have legal representation to make sure there's someone that's on your side in the transaction.
If you discover problems after the fact, there isn't necessarily recourse for you.
Title insurance is insurance that protects either the lender or the homeowner, the buyer, against future claims relating to the real property.
A lender's policy is mandatory. What that does is protect the bank that when the transaction is done, the person that's buying the home, the mortgage, or has the clear ownership of the property, that there are no unpaid other mortgages affecting the property, no unpaid other liens affecting the property, and nothing restricting the use of the property that would affect the bank's interest.
You want the owner's policy to protect your interest and your equity in the property.
It's insuring you against things that may have happened during the chain of title.
You pay this fee at closing. There's no additional fees ever required of the owner with respect to the property.
Ianniello Anderson has 4 different locations. We're in Airline Drive, we're Clifton Park, Saratoga Springs, and Glens Falls, with attorneys at each office. So it's easier for us to provide services for our clients in any of those locations.
We understand that the real estate transaction, no one can do it by themselves, not just the realtor or the title company or the attorney. We all have to work with one another.
GCAR is a great source for the realtors and for the attorneys. Working together, you're able to go over some of the issues that the area is facing.
Our practice is based on efficiency and assisting people to close transactions in timely fashions.